Welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ngeGenesis. Well guys, ama-teasers this week aveza ke ukuthi there is a secret ekhona ke emndenini ke wakwaThabethe eyaziwa ke uFelicia yedwa. So people are just assuming guys ukuthi ke what is that secret? Kune-will esezandleni zikaGabriel afuna ke ukuyiphahlaza ke indaba yaziwe ke ibona bonke ke abantu, and bose ngazuthi ke uFelicia ke will try by all means ukuthi ke bakhiphe leyo ndaba as a secret, and uGabriel would use uFelicia as if noma ke ukuthi ke babuyelane in a way just for him not to expose that secret. So guys, it's gonna be a twistingana la kule storyline seGenesis. So abantu ke they are just assuming guys ukuthi yini lento eyimfihlo kangaka azathi ke uFelicia if ingaphumela obala engadestroya ke eGenesis. Kungabe ubonko akusiyona ingane kaThabethe, kungabe maybe uMaruna or uMpumi uyingane kaThabethe, iwill leyana ke ibhala ukuthini. So guys, kuningi okukhona ke emqondweni yethu ukuthi ke iqiniso lakho kungabe uNobuhla kuyona ingane kaThabethe, kungabe uFisto ingane kaThabethe. It's just a lot that we are trying to figure out kule storyline. But nje guys, abantu abaningi sebekhathe le story badinwa na ukuthi nje uGabriel hlezi ezowina njalo. So they are just waiting for April ukuthi ke siphele. But ke do comment below usho na ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi yini le secret ke abazoza nayo engadestroya ke iGenesis. But ke guys, secret ekhona ikhomba ukuthi ke ubonko ke naye ke akayazi ngoba ke bayaveza laphayana on Friday noma ke next week ukuthi ke ubonko uzokwatela ke uma wakhe ngale ndaba ke azoyithola naye le abathi ke ingadestroya iGenesis. Well guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.